Can you believe it's already March? Boy, this year has gone by so fast. But you know what? I can't complain because I'm so excited when April comes around the corner because SharePoint Fest DC will be back in town. And I'm so grateful that I'll get to present 2 workshops at SharePoint Fest DC. First, I'll facilitate a workshop called Tailoring Microsoft Teams to accelerate your line of business communication and collaboration. In this workshop, I'll walk you through common and general business use cases for Microsoft Teams, but more importantly, I'll also zero in on specific business scenarios for HR, project management, marketing, and even sales. So make sure you join that workshop and come and learn everything you can so you can use it for your organization. Second, I'll also facilitate a workshop called How You Can Successfully Migrate to Office 365. In this workshop, I'll walk you through key planning activities, ensuring that you use the right migration framework, and figure out what content you can keep, you can get rid of, and even move to Office 365. And once you're in Office 365, how do you ensure operational governance and drive sustainable adoption for the long term? A lot of good stuff, so I hope you sign up and join me in that workshop. In addition, there's tons of wonderful sessions at SharePoint Fest DC, so when you sign up, check out all the other sessions and attend all the goodness you can. So until then, I'll see ya.